What are the top ways to make money on YouTube in 2021? How can you scale your YouTube income and make money passively while you're sleeping? Stay tuned and I will show you top ways to make money on YouTube in 2021 and beyond. I'll also be showing you the 3 practical steps you have to take right now to establish a good foundation for your business to make money before you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. All these goodies right after the intro. Hi guys, so glad to see you here. My name is Ola from Income Ola and I'm helping purpose-driven people just like you to build a successful online business and make a passive income, especially through YouTube. Smash that like button at any time if you like this video and don't forget to check the description below because all the links I've mentioned are going to be inside. YouTube can be a rough place, especially when you just started. Don't get me wrong, it is still a great platform to promote your business, to make money, build your online income, and it is not too late to start now. As a small channel, you have to have clear goals and solid strategy on how you're going to make the money on YouTube. Like many other YouTubers, I assume you want to monetize your channel with AdSense and looking forward to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible to join YouTube Partner Program. And that's great. There's only 2 little things I want to address here. 1. Most of the small channels who just started have a real struggle to get to the point when they have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the second thing here is when you're being accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, unless you get tons of views on your channel, don't expect to make a fortune with YouTube ads. While some YouTubers can make $30 and even $40 for 1,000 views, most of us, small YouTubers, are going to take between $3 and $4 to our pocket for every 1,000 views. Let's round it to 5, okay? Go to your analytics and check how many views do you have on your channel right now. How many views do you expect to get on your channel in 1 month? 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 a month? Well, congratulations! You have just made $100 a month. I don't know about you, but for me it isn't enough. I'm not saying that to discourage you, but to make you see the numbers. And while you can sit and calculate how many views do you have to have on your channel in 1 month to make a living from YouTube ads, I will suggest you to build a multiple income streams. So today I'm showing you the top ways to make money on YouTube in 2021 without relying on ads and before you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Make sure to watch the entire video because later I'll show you the 3 practical steps you have to take right now to establish a good foundation for your business to start making money before you can earn from ads. So without further ado, let's start. Way number 1 is affiliate products. Go to affiliate platforms like ClickBank, DigiStore24, ShareASale or Amazon. Find a product that's related to your niche or the topic of your video. Make sure it is a legit product that will help your audience. Grab the link and paste it in the description of every video that's related to that product. Also, you can paste this link to your pinned comment. After you do that, start building a sales funnel so you will be able to capture the customer's email. And I have a video about how to build your sales funnel for free with Aweber. You'll see it popping in the card right here and also under this video in the description section. And also, I'm going to make a video specifically about how to build a funnel for affiliate products. So if you aren't subscribed yet, go and smash that red button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Way number 2 is merchandise. You're already making videos. Why not to sell some merch with them? People love merch and buy it all the time. You can start for free with websites like Teespring, Merch by Amazon, and Redbubble. All you have to do is to come up with a design and the websites will take care of the rest. You can create a design using free websites like Canva and then upload it to the websites like Redbubble and Teespring. They will do the printing, the shipping, custom support. Some of them are even promote your design after a certain amount of sales. The only downside in selling merchandise is that it takes time until people will find your designs and until one of them will take off. But because it's free and easy to start, and if you have some free time, you are definitely want to check it out. Way number 3 is ebook. Ebook is by far the best digital asset you can have. It is free and it's easier than you think. I just finished writing my ebook. It took me 3 days with all the mess of 2 kids running around me because we're in the 3rd lockdown. And English is my 3rd language, so you will write your ebook faster than me for sure. You don't have to be an expert, but to solve a problem. And everybody who lived in this world for at least 15 years have some kind of solution for some kind of problem. Create an ebook for free on Canva and sell it on Payhip, Warrior Plus, Fiverr or Amazon Kindle. Way number 4 is online course. Just like an ebook, you can create your own online course and promote it on your videos. On Thinkific, on platforms like Thinkific, you can start for free, but the plan is limited. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable and Kajabi can cost you somewhere between $29 and $120 a month. I suggest you check them all and decide which one will work the best for you. And as I told you before, you don't have to be an expert, just to know how to solve a problem and help people. Now, as I promised, let me show you the 3 practical steps you want to take right now to establish a good, strong foundation for your business and start making money ASAP. Number 1. Build your list now. Maybe you just started and you don't know how to do email marketing, how to write emails, how to connect, how to give away something for their email, but I encourage you to do it right now, right from the beginning, because you have to grow your list. I hope YouTube will stay for many years, but we don't know, and we can trust one platform. The money is in the returning customers, and if you don't capture their email, you're just losing money. So build your list right now, give something free away. I have a video that shows you how to build your funnel for completely free. Do it. You can go to websites like IDPLR and download something small for free, some kind of calendar, some kind of printable, some kind of PDF, give it away for free and capture the leads, capture the emails. Don't miss an opportunity. Grow your list from the start, from now. Number 2 is get the affiliate links now. Every video that you publish and you don't put affiliate link inside, you're leaving money on the table. Maybe you still have very small audience, maybe you still very small channel, but still you want to make sure you have the affiliate links set up there in the description and in the pinned comment. Number 3, start asking your audience what they want to learn about or what they want to see more, what kind of videos they like you to make more of them. This is a good start for you, first of all, to get great ideas for next videos, and second of all, start taking notes about what your audience like, what they need to know more. Then you can create your online course knowing exactly, first of all, how to promote it because the pain points of your audience, and second, what topics are they really interested in learning about. Also, if people will answer you, it will send good signals to YouTube because it shows that your videos are engaging. Your subscribers and your viewers are engaged, and that's a great sign for YouTube to start promoting you more and more, and then you start growing. So that was 3 essential steps that you have to take right now. Don't wait with that. You don't have time? Create time. Just create time. Make your funnel, start collecting emails, get your affiliate links right now, and start asking your audience what they like, what they want, what their struggles, what their problems, what they want to see more from you. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye.